Hello, Michelle, can you hear me? For our viewers here, this is Jim Cantree with WEW News, embedded here in the heart of the Midwest. And we have one doozy of a killer storm coming. I just can't warn the folks enough about the seriousness of this storm. Please, please, if you do not have to, do not make travel plans. Do not leave your home. This is a killer storm. We've got cold air rushing down from the north. We've got tropical moist air coming up from the south, coming together in one ball, a swirling mass of storm, rivaling the blizzard of '78 or the farm storm of 1894. Please, let's take this seriously. We're expecting near whiteout conditions with snow that will be measured probably in feet rather than inches. And I just can't emphasize how bad this is going to get here. And we do have a few flakes coming down here, and the wind's starting up from the north already. But in a few hours, this is all going to change. Now let's get down to business here. Michelle, for our viewers here, what we've got over here is some, this is just kind of a heavy white fluff here, about a half an inch deep. And this is from old snow. But when we go down here a little deeper, it gets a little more granular. And once again, this was piled high. This was, if I get my other measure here. Yeah, here we go. This could have been piled as high as 5 to 6 feet. This was old snow here. Now, if we go over here on the road, almost on the road here, look here, we've got plain water here. Can you imagine what happens when that water begins to freeze, the problems that's going to cause the drivers? And we haven't even got into the main storm yet.
Oh, okay, Jim, we need to switch over to sports.
Well, just a minute. I wanted to show the viewers this over here. This here is dirty, wet snow. I like to call it snert. But that in itself doesn't cause any problem. It's just dirty looking. But over here, this is...
Jim!
Just hold on there just a second. I wanted to show the viewers this over here. This here is really snow that has blown in here and drifted in here, even though it's old, and that will all be refreshed when this new storm comes in, which, by the way, I'm warning you again, is going to be very severe. Now,
Jim, we're missing the sports section.
I'm sorry. Just let me show the viewers this over here, because this is the road. And if you'll notice, look there's water right on the road. Can you imagine what's going to happen when that begins to freeze and the snow comes down on top of that? It's going to just add and exacerbate the problems that we already have. One more thing here. I've got to show the viewers this.
Okay, Jim, we got to cut it off.
I've got to show the viewers this. Just hold on a second, because this here is climate change right in progress. Notice this pile has already begun to glaciate right down here, where it's just a really icy. I don't even have words to describe it, but it's just a very hard ice, very cold on the fingers.
Well, thanks for the update, Jim.
Well, no, don't turn me off. Don't.
We're back now with WEW TV, big news for little people. Jim.
Yeah, Michelle. Yeah, this is Jim Cantree, embedded here in the Midwest again. Dave's gone by here, and fortunately we've dodged the bullet momentarily on this storm. It's past the east of us. However, the bad news is meteorologists are saying that even though the storm has gone by us to the east, that it is going to regenerate. I repeat, it's going to regenerate and move back west over us. I repeat, this is going to be a killer storm with near blizzard-like conditions. Please take me seriously at this. We cannot ignore this situation. Now let's get over here. We still have this water here. It's about a half inch deep, and it's probably going to freeze. And over here, look at this here. This hasn't really changed much here. This fluff here, it's about a half inch deep. And we're still waiting for some new snow over here on top of this, what I call it, schnert.